Over 2 million cryptocurrencies now exist, but in reality, you only need maybe a small basket of cryptocurrencies, maybe 10 to 20 different cryptocurrencies that could truly deliver immense prosperity and maybe even financial freedom for you guys in the future. Now, the Bitcoin halving is just 136-ish days away, around April 2024. So, you know, we've got really bullish times ahead, but I just want to talk about in this video 5 cryptocurrencies I think, you know, for December could do well leading into January, February, and maybe even March of 2024. So let's start straight away. Let's get into the good juicy stuff. Subscribe if you're new here, please. Really hit that subscribe button. That really helps the channel grow. And also consider getting yourself into the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord down below if you want to find out about alt gems, news, insights, and much more. So the first one is going to be Ethereum. Very much usually bullish on Ethereum around December time. I mean, long-term macro point of view, always bullish on Ethereum, but more so bullish on Ethereum because of its historical price performance. We can see most of the time Ethereum performs very well in January, and when you look at this, you know, you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green months in a row for Ethereum. Usually you get 2 together and you have that one bearish January when the bear market is naturally there. So we had 2020 good, 2021 was good, 2022 was bearish, 2023 was bullish. So will 2024 January be bullish for Ethereum? I think there's a very good chance. So just based on this model alone, the historical price data, not really the technicals, but more so the fundamentals, I think, you know, Ethereum is looking overwhelmingly undervalued, but you can see it is looking very euphoric and bullish already, trading in a bullish ascending channel. We could see a breakout here for Ethereum, maybe up to the sort of 2.5, 2.75k levels. Moving into coin number 2, it's going to be Solana. I think Solana is still quite an undervalued token, which is gathering a huge amount of momentum, especially over the last month. We are now seeing this tight consolidation phase between $52 and $64 here for Solana. So Solana, yes, it is going to be another one that I am looking at in December. I have accumulated quite a bit down at the lower regions between the $20 and $30 mark, so I'm already up, but I do think there is space for more here for Solana. When we look at the market cap, it's at 27 billion. The all-time high MC was actually 78 billion here. So remember, fully diluted, it's going to be completely different. The supply back then was different, hence why the price was also much higher. So I don't think we will actually see a unit cost all-time high here for Solana, but I do think around $100 is a realistic price target at least over the coming months, maybe even $150 here for Solana. We can see some price predictions from Techopedia, our website. They think the max price will be $50 for Solana, which doesn't really make much sense at all. But looking at 2025, they're saying $90, 2030, $146. So actually the price was destroyed. You know, $64, this price prediction was completely washed out. So to be fair, these ones could also be invalidated, and maybe they are a little bit too conservative for, you know, Solana with a huge community, massive fundamentals, and utility. Coin number 3 will be the Bitcoin ETF new pre-sale. Now remember guys, pre-sales are high risk, high reward. This isn't financial advice, but if you want to look at this pre-sale, the link is right down below just for you to check it out and do some research. Why Bitcoin ETF token? Well, Bitcoin ETFs are being approved, many of them early next year, and every time a real world Bitcoin ETF approved or is approved, the Bitcoin ETF pre-sale right here, they're making ecosystem changes which will reward holders, benefit the community, benefit the ecosystem, things like reducing the taxation or implementing more token burn. So quite exciting. They are also constantly updating their following and audience with Bitcoin ETF related news. So this one does make me feel quite bullish, the fact that they're actually educating the audience. And they do have a rather generous looking staking model here with 90% APY. 286 million tokens have been staked. We can see here the total supply is also 2.1 billion. And overall, I feel quite bullish on this one. It's got a hard cap target of 4.96 million. So they've only got to raise another $1.9 million and the pre-sale is finished. So I'm expecting a very late or early January or February, so maybe another 6 to 8 weeks until we see this one go live. Could potentially do a 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5x depending on how bullish the markets are looking. Coin number 3 will be the one and only Bitcoin. Bitcoin is indeed very overbought, looking a little bit above its undervaluation phase now. However, I think with the power of the Bitcoin halving and ETFs, the re-elections, new stimulus money, all this combined makes the perfect concoction for a huge run in 2024. Now, I don't know if we will see an all-time high, but when you look at the price of Bitcoin right now, you got to admit it is very, very parabolic. So if you are looking to buy into Bitcoin around December, you know, there could be some upside potential still. Looking at the price history here, we could get a good January, February and March because of the halving and everything, but I think the upside is diminishing slightly because the golden area to buy in was between 18k, maybe 30k. Even 30k was quite a sort of a risky, I suppose, choice really. 30k was still quite a high upside, quite overbought, greedy levels, but we are seeing a lot of greed in the markets. But I think overall Bitcoin 43k right now, we're nowhere near the top of the bull run. You know, we're nowhere near that parabolic euphoria. So I think 43k is still quite a conservative price. I think a 4x from here to $160,000 is a possibility. Now, coin number 5 is going to be the Secoin. We've looked at this a lot on this channel over the last month, up from 12 cents to highs of 32 cents. Secoin does make me feel rather bullish. Now, it's got a fully diluted market capital of $2.7 billion right there. That's assuming the entire supply is circulating, I believe. And this is something to consider, right? So this is the maximum amount of coins that will ever exist in the lifetime of the cryptocurrency at the current valuation. That is what we would see, $2.7 billion. That would put the price down, remember, if we had the same market capital of 600 billion right here. Million. So Secoin, why am I bullish? Well, it's the fastest layer 1 blockchain enabling mass adoption of digital assets. And we can see here they've got fantastic transaction finality, 20,000 TPS right here, or OPS they're calling it. Good transaction finality, and this is the good thing about it, front-running bot prevention. That's something that the other ecosystems like ETH, Solana, Bitcoin do not have, and it's also proof of stake, so aimed at developers, traders, quants out there in the crypto markets. And I think, you know, maybe these 5 coins right here could be a potential good bag holding for the future. Now remember guys, there are so many other cryptocurrencies, and the thing you really should be doing every day is just researching on CoinMarketCap what coins you think could potentially pump next, because you know there could be anything between the rank 100 to 300 to 400 coins. The ones that are especially sitting at $100 million market cap now, these are the ones that could also 10x to $1 billion by the next crypto bull run. So that's just something to consider. If you're also new here, do consider becoming a patron. If you want over 500 trading signals per month, you can become a crypto legend. The Patreon link is down below, and you'll find all those trading signals within the Discord channel right here, where you'll get all those premium signals like the ones that you can see on screen right here. So Patreon first, you sign up, and then you get all the VIP access in the Discord. Thanks for watching guys. 97% of people do not subscribe, so if you hit that subscribe button, that really helps massively. Hopefully see you guys soon. Stay crypto safe, take care, peace.